Happy International Women's Day to all the women out there. Being a woman is a privilege. Being a woman means you are strong. Being a woman means you are able. Being a woman means you're triumphant. Now, come to think of it, just the fact that you go through the monthly period thing is strength enough. Now, we're not even talking about mothers, we're talking about just the fact that you're a woman. Being a woman means you need the ability to be able to multitask, which means you are going to school, you're working on skills, you are working on a lot of things, right? I was doing this very light makeup for a friend's surprise birthday party that I organized some time ago. And I really don't know why I used the filter, but yeah, it is what it is. I was running out of time, and I still needed to be a little bit glam. So, what are your plans for the Women's Day of today? The same month there's a Women's Day. There's going to be Mother's Day. I'm telling you, women deserve all the celebrations that are given to them. Sometimes people get to say that why are there so many why are there so many Mother's Day? Different countries celebrate Mother's Day with different dates, and it tends to be an issue. Now it's so easy to be a woman, talk less of being a mom. There's just so much we take as women. It's the strength that we have that is just amazing. Just the ability of us multitasking is something that needs to be applauded. And on this Women's Day, I really want to take out time to really appreciate the fact that I'm a woman, appreciate other hardworking women out there, appreciate women that don't let life get to them, but they keep striving to get to the top. You know what I mean? Sometimes life can be so overwhelming, but as women, we have the ability to keep pushing, to keep going forward, to keep surviving, to keep making it. And that's the beauty of being a woman. Being a woman means, I know it's no longer a thing of today, but back in the day, if you were a girl child, you had the responsibility of learning how to cook, learning how to clean. It was your responsibility of just learning, and then for those who had the privilege of going to school, you had school to deal with as well. It's so much different now. The world is advancing, and most parents are learning that what you are teaching your female children, it's important that you teach your male children as well. And I think what most of our parents failed to do back in the day was like teaching the boys how to be husbands. Most parents focus on teaching the girl how to be good wives, but they never taught their sons how to be good husbands. I know this voiceover is taking a different turn, but that's just some of the challenges we face as being women and being raised in a world where at the time being sexist was the thing. Our parents will always be like, oh, you have to clean, you have to be able to cook. If you cannot cook, your husband will not respect you. You have to do this, you have to do that. It was just all about the husbands, pleasing the husbands. But I didn't hear much of what the husbands should do, what the male child should do to be able to assist the woman, like clean. Now, don't get me wrong, there are exceptions to everything. Like that's still very good men out there who can cook, who can clean, but for majority of the part, the belief in quotes is the duty of the woman. That's one of the reasons why we're celebrating Women's Day today, because there's just so much that women have to take, that women have to handle, that women have to deal with. Because in quotes is a responsibility of the woman, is a responsibility of the woman to cook, to clean, to to do all those. We accept the responsibility though, but it's nice when you have this help. It's nice when, if you are unable to do it, there is that male figure that steps in. There's that somebody that gives you that support. I grew up watching my mom um do all these things. Even when she's sick, she still has to make sure that there's food on the table. She has to make sure that her children have eaten. She will still be struggling to do the children's homework, assignments, and all that. That's what we're talking about. Women have the ability to really, 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 really work under pressure, even when they're not feeling like it. It's just overwhelming sometimes. I'm talking as a woman now, and you may have other experiences, and I really like to hear from other women. You can drop it down in the comment section. What are your challenges of being a woman, or what are your experiences? What do you feel like is most challenging, you being a woman, or what do you love about being a woman? I really love to hear other people's thoughts on this. Here am I rounding up with my makeup. I know we're running late for the surprise, but yeah, I didn't find it necessary putting on lashes. Like I told you guys, I'll hardly put lashes except it's for really, really special events. But this was me putting in my setting spray, and I really rocked this hair. I know my boobs were kind of like showing, but that was the style of the dress, guys. So yeah, this was one of the times when I was still a little bit overweight. I gained so much weight this period because there was a lot going on, and I did justice to this hair. I think I had this hair for a very long period of time. I even forgot my earrings. Thank you guys for watching my makeup and my ranting. I hope you do drop your comments on the Women's Day